Introduction to completing the square. We'll start with an idea. If you recall with FOIL, if you have a perfect square like 3x minus 2 quantity squared, you can write that as 3x minus 2 times 3x minus 2. As you FOIL this out, you'll multiply your first term with the first term. That gives us 9x squared. And then you'll do your outer with outer and your inner with inner terms. So when I multiply outer with outer, I get minus 6x. And when I multiply inner with inner, I get minus 6x. What's unique about that is the outer, inner terms produce the same values. So when I combine them up, it's like a doubling effect. And I'll have a minus 12x here. That'll be important when we try to complete the square because essentially we'll be working in reverse. And then of course we must finish with the last with last. So I get this minus 4. Plus 4, pardon me. And then I'll do a second example here where I get a little bit quicker. We'll try something like 7x minus 3 quantity squared. I don't necessarily need to do all the work. I know the process. So I look at the first term. I can do first with first, which is 49x squared. Then I look at this product. 7x times negative 3 is negative 21. And just like up here in the previous example, I was able to double to get that middle term. So this negative 21x doubled would be minus 42x. And then of course we square the last term, which would be a plus 9. Your last and first terms should always be positive. I'll do a third idea here real quick. Let's say I have 5x plus 4 quantity squared. Square the first term, I get 25x squared. This product, 5x times 4, would be 20x. When I double it, it would be plus 40x. And of course we square the last term, plus 16. What I want you to notice here from our three answers, this is what we started with. Here's the FOILed out version, the expanded version of this. First, last terms are always positive, and that middle term will take the sign that was inside the parentheses. That'll be a very important idea. Same here. First, last terms are squared. That's producing this and this. The product was negative 21. When I doubled it, was negative 42. The sign in the expanded form matches what was in the parentheses. Same down here. First term squared, last term squared. When I take this product, I get 20x, I double it, I get 40x for the middle term. These will be key components when we try to do completing the square in our first example.